Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And some people were asking me to kind of go through Microsoft Edge a little bit, talk about some of the features. And I thought that I'd take a look at some of the features I like and also some of the features that have been added recently. And we're going to go feature to feature. So each video is going to be a feature. So like that, the videos aren't too long and they focus on a specific thing that maybe that's the only thing you want to see or know about. This video, one of the features I love of the Microsoft Edge browser is the ability to actually take a full web page screenshot in order to paste it somewhere else. So for example, if I take a page like Space Weather, so here's a page that is fairly long, has a lot of information all around. And you can see you can scroll down real far. So when you actually want to take a screenshot, if you look at the snipping tool, for example, you'll notice that the snipping tool doesn't really give you any options of having the full page. It will give you a window or it will give you a full screen. But in order to get a full web page, that's a different thing. And here's how you can do it with Edge. Whatever page you are at, simply right click on the screen. And here you will have a web capture feature. Click there. You'll have the capture area that you can choose, or you can actually capture a full page. In this case, I will do full page. Now this gives me the full page capture here. So I can go and go down this picture and I can actually save it to the computer as a JPEG, or it will download as a JPEG of web capture. And this is, of course, something that is cool. Once it's saved, you can actually do what you want pretty much with it. You can also draw, annotate, do whatever you want in order for you to actually, take a web page, for example, and in that page, you'll be able to change things around and make sure that you can actually share it as an image. Remember, it will be a JPEG image. So to whatever software that you want to copy or paste it to. And this is a great feature because, having the full page is something that a lot of people will want to have. And it's integrated within Microsoft Edge. So just remember, right click, web capture, and you just choose either the capture area or a full page to get a full page capture of any web page that you're visiting with Edge. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.